Hi, we're here with a pro tip video, and I'm with Adam from TST, Truck System Technologies, and we are going to go over the TPMS programming sequence.
All right, so we're gonna go over the 507 now. So go ahead and make sure your monitor's turned on. Okay, let me know when it's on completely.
Powered up.
Perfect. So what I want you to do, you got 3 buttons there on your left side, you got 2 on your right. So what I want you to do is I want you to hold that middle button on the left-hand side that says set. I want you to hold it until it beeps. Okay, once it beeps, I want you to hit the plus button 5 times. Okay, press and release the middle button, set. Awesome. So right now you're going to be on the front set of tires. So that would be your tow vehicle. And what I like to say is the bottom is going to be your driver's side, the top will be your passenger side, okay? So if you hit the plus button, it's going to move you to a different tire location. So again, that very first triangle, or that first rectangle, is going to be your tow vehicle. The back will be your trailer. So go ahead and hit the plus button until you get all the way back to the trailer. Okay, once you're there, you can choose any tire. It doesn't matter which one you use. I like to use the inside tires, the inside dual on there personally, but you can use the outside. So let's go ahead and go to that inside dual, okay? Once you get there, I want you to hit press and release the set button on the left, the middle button, okay? Now, the sensors are gonna be 180 degrees from the valve stem. So go ahead, we're gonna move this monitor. We're gonna wanna put it on the sidewall of the tire, 180 degrees, okay? So go ahead and hit that go button now for me. You're gonna see IDLF. And there it goes. You can see it just picked up the code. So go ahead and hit the set button to save it. It's gonna lock it in. So now we have programmed this one tire. Now if you hit the plus button, we're gonna do the next set of tires as well. So you can go and do this, repeat the process. So you would hit the set button, and then you could hit the go button again. And hold it a little bit closer. There it goes, it picked it up. Hit set to save it. All right, and so that's the process you would do for all 4 or 5 of your tires, or 6, depending on however many axles you have. So you would repeat the process by hitting the plus button to move to a new tire. One trick I do like to recommend, or I like to say, is these are gonna be like your mirrors. So imagine this is gonna be your driver's side down at the bottom, the passenger side will be your top, right? So if you can always hold it up. So whenever you're programming your sensors, just make sure that you keep the passenger tires on the top and the driver's side on the bottom. Once you have it, you can hit the back button twice and it will take you back to the home screen, and you should see all your tires on the screen with the temperature and pressure reading in the box.
All right, special thank you to Adam of TST for showing us how to set up a TPMS system. If you found this video helpful or have other suggestions to camp better, leave us a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also download the My Keystone app or visit KeystoneRV.com to see all of our content. And thank you for watching.